Okay, so we're going to go into Photoshop and you are going to bring in your photo. Just use the clipboard and bring your photo in. And so you've got your photo on the background. You're going to add a new layer, and you're going to come over to your lasso tool and make sure that you're on this these top squares. And we're going to start with just a big shape. So you, this is really important so that you don't have white spots, and you'll understand what I mean later, in between each layer. And so you can modify this later. I have problems doing this bottom area, but I know I can modify that later. Okay, and so to edit this, as long as you're on those top squares, I could come in and draw a circle, just to include that. Notice that sort of moved, and I've got to move her up. And we could draw another circle around this. And so I could go around and fix all the spots that my hand was kind of unsteady, and bring some of that in. Zoom in if you need to. Okay, so do all your refinements, and then you're going to create a mask. So see at the bottom, there's this little mask button. It puts a mask around everything that, just like a layer mask that we've used on the computers before, puts a mask around everything. You could switch between the mask layer and your transparent layer. So we're going to be on our transparent layer. We're going to come over to our fill tool, and we're going to pick a medium. So I'm going to use this purpley blue color, and I'm going to pick a medium tone. So I'm going to come maybe about right there. And basically I'm filling it in with this medium gray. I'm just using a medium purple, and I'm going to hit fill in. So now I can't really access all my other details, so I need to turn this layer off. So I'm going to click on the eye and turn that off, and I'm going to add another layer. Go back to my lasso tool, and I'm going to start with this lighter gray area and do the best I can. Okay, and the nice thing about this is, as long as you're on those two squares at the top, you can add shapes in. So I could come in here and add this shape in. I could come in here and add this shape. And so I could keep going, right? And so I can do this down here, and it will, and now I'm going to kind of do a sloppy job just to get moving here. But click on your mask. I'm going to come over here to my paint bucket, go back over here to my transparent layer, click on this. Now I'm going to pick a lighter, right? I'm doing my lighter color, so I'm going to pick a lighter purple blue, and I'm going to fill that in. Okay, so now if I turn this layer on, right, you start to see these shapes build up. And I'm going to come in here and do another shape. I'm going to turn this bottom layer off again so I can see, and then I'm going to come back to my lasso and do my darker areas. Now, I'm not going to do this just for the sake of time, but I could do that, right? Come over here and add this dark area. Obviously do a better job than I just did. Make the mask. Go back to your transparent layer. Now I'm going to pick a darker purple. Make sure that the darker purple is darker than that medium color that you picked before. And I'm going to fill that in, right? And so you continue just to build up these layers of colors and detail. And so the darker the color I get, once I add, and so you might have to turn these two layers off so you could see now this darker gray color, almost black. And then I'm just going to pick, even a darker purple than what I was at before. And so you just need to keep building these layers and filling them in with different values of the purple. That's all.